So I'm Daniel Kennedy, I'm the owner of Progress. We're a creative agency based here in Folkestone's Creative Quarter. We've been here for 9 years. We've actually moved premises 4 times now, and no, we really like it. It's somewhere we're very comfortable, and most of us live about 5 minutes away. Largely because of the creative movement that's happening here, not just from a tenancy perspective where the rents are quite cheap, but because of the mesh that you've got of creative people and creative businesses that actually works really well in terms of bouncing off other people or seeing the kind of work that they're doing. But actually it's that sort of cluster effect. You're finding lots of like-minded people are either moving here or setting up businesses here because it creates the opportunity to do so. So we've done a lot of local work. Although we deal with international clients, we're very big on the local community. So some of our work you can see all around town, in fact, actually everything from if you go for dinner at Roxalt, you might see some of the building works that's going around town in terms of the Folkestone Town Heritage Initiative. You might take your dog to the vets up at Abbey Wells, but also some of the really exciting developments that are going on in the harbour, such as the Harbour Arm. There's something that you can see the results of our artworks as such, from murals on the wall to some of the branding, and it's really good to see that kind of vibrant creative that's reflected around the town and is getting commented on. I think the open court is a really good opportunity for either local people or prospective tenants to really come around and have a look and kind of get under the skin what it's all about. You know, you can look at some art through a window or you can pop in the shop, but to have a chance to go and talk to the people, understand how it all works and get a feel for you know, what people do, how they operate and what really kind of connects them with the town. I think it's a fantastic way of exposing people to what's going on here. We're certainly, we're always here. Whilst we don't necessarily always open our doors to people walking in off the street, we're always happy to show people around and tell them about the business and what we do. So that's really not a problem from our perspective. I think you've really seen a change in the town, not just internally but externally, in terms of the high-speed link's been fantastic in terms of its connectivity and what that brings to the town, but there's a distinct sea change. It feels like we've turned the corner. You know, you've got some the motion of some of the developments, such as the harbour development, which is now getting underway, in terms of the prospects that brings, not just from jobs, but you know, in terms of the environment. You know, this is a town that there's definitely going places. You know, after such a long time where it wasn't, you know, it really feels like now it's getting into its stride, and you're starting to see businesses that are gelling and staying here, which is really great to see. And they're not just surviving, they're thriving, and they really are growing. You know, businesses like us, we started less than 7 years ago. It was just one person, and now there's 8 of us, and we're looking to expand, and we're dealing with international people, and you're seeing that in other companies around in terms of the way that the sort of work that they're doing. You know, some great artistic work. The Triennial has been a great advert for the town, and something that I think we've all benefited from. So I think you can definitely feel that there's a change going on, and that's largely attributed to, I would say, to this sort of creative element, this creative quarter that's sort of, you know, flying the flag for a town that is changing. We do a lot of work up in London, and you know, the times that I'm reading about Folkestone in the Standard, for example, and you're seeing articles, you know, a bit in the Times, what have you, in terms of places to live. I think the town was a couple of years ago was sort of declared one of the best places, to the 13th best place to live in the country. So you can talk about property prices and about there's lots of the sum total of the parts which are just making this town a lot more appealing and a lot more inviting for people in terms of considering it as a place to move to and a place that they want to be. So you know, you're seeing a lot more of the sort of London-centric people who are looking for a better quality of life. And you know, it's when I talk to my clients, and I'm telling them I'm literally a stone's throw from the harbour, you know, and when they can hear the seagulls squawking outside, it's something that, you know, they really do become quite envious of.